I'm Steve, and this is Wilmer Woodworks. This week we'll be doing an unboxing of the MicroJig GR-100. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is an unboxing of the gripper. This is the gripper GR-100 model. I was given this for a Christmas gift, so this really worked out well because at the price tag, I mean, it looks great, but I don't think I would ever buy it for myself. This is everything that comes in the box. I was a little nervous when I saw 3D printed push stick, and these instructions are very detailed, but really the assembly is pretty straightforward. The guys, they really did think this through. They do sell the Gripper 200 or the complete package, but with this system you can upgrade. So everything is interchangeable, so you can get additional pieces to be assembled to this piece to make it into whatever you need, so you can pay a little bit over time instead of one big price tag. Like I said, the plastic here is pretty strong, and the hardware and everything was really thought out. So this main base is with your handle. You just have these little T-nuts with the screws that go through to secure it to the main base. And once that's screwed down somewhere comfortable, you have the center section that just uses some through toggles with some washers and some lock nuts. And these two sides are pretty much interchangeable here. I made the mistake of running the screws in too quick before taking a look at the reference material. So I did have to take it apart. There are a whole bunch of O-rings, and then I guess they're designed as lock washers, I guess, so it doesn't vibrate and the screws don't loosen up. But once those are installed, the screws go together pretty quickly. And then it just says go back through and tighten everything up. And then here's this additional support on the side here that just gets held in place again with some toggles and some washers. And that's pretty much it. Everything I put back in the original box. I do have to send the registration code, and then this center piece does move back and forth. And then like I said, they do have additional accessories as well. So time to try it out. I've got some cherry, walnut, and maple that I'll be cutting down for some cutting boards. The next cutting board I'm going to make is an edge grain cutting board. I've already made an end grain, and I helped guy I work with out with a face grain butcher block. And I did take my time when I was cutting these, so I wasn't sure how everything would work, but the grip pad worked out very well. I know that one of the upgrades that they sell is a back kick plate, and now I know why, because it does hold it well, but you have to put a little bit of pressure on. So it would slide a little bit, and if it had that little toe at the end to hold it, it would be a little bit more comfortable, I would think. So I do have a 3D printer. I might try to print myself something out of ABS or buy that additional add-on. So yeah, I'm just breaking down some of this lumber. I believe I'm cutting it to 1.5 inches for a couple of glue ups. I'll probably get about 2 boards out of this for the edge grain. And unfortunately, once I'm out of that, I really am getting down to the bottom of the barrel of the scraps that I have left. see that that push did move a little bit on me on the last cut there. I mean, this is a great push stick. I know, I mean, it is just a push stick, but it does what it's supposed to do, so it's a good buy in my opinion. I'll put a link to this in the video description, so if you're interested in picking one up yourself, it'll be in the Amazon. I'll put an Amazon link on there. It is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase it through that link, I'll get a little bit of a kickback. And as always, guys, if you do enjoy these videos and you feel like you're getting some sort of either entertainment or benefit out of it, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Every time somebody subscribes, it just gives me that little boost to know that the content I'm making is helping or entertaining at least somebody. And if you do like what you're seeing, please hit that like button. And I'd like to hear what you guys think. Like, what kind of push stick are you using? Did you make your own? Did you buy one? Leave your comments below. Until next time, thanks for watching.